Welcome to Miller Microscopes. I'm Scott Miller. Question for you. How would you go about getting a high quality microscope? Well, you can research some options online, contact each of the manufacturers for information, sift through all the details, and in the end, hope you made the right decision. With thousands of microscopes on the market and endless configurations, it can actually be quite complex. Of course, there's another way. There's us, Miller Microscopes. We've been servicing the clinical, educational, and industrial markets for over 80 years. We're family owned and operated, always have been, and we're dedicated to helping people find the right microscope at the right price. How do we do it? It's no secret. We take the time to listen to you, the customer, and find out your specific needs to help you make an educated purchase decision. At Miller, we saw every major brand and model, so you can be confident you'll get a microscope that does what you need it to do. And it doesn't end with your purchase. Miller also specializes in on-site service and maintenance of every microscope, brand, and model. We can help maintain your system in good working condition. Our factory-trained technicians, combined with our extensive parts inventory, gives us the ability to repair almost any microscope at a reasonable cost. It really is our deep knowledge and experience in the industry that makes a difference. That's why we've been selected as a Leica Microsystems authorized dealer, and it's what made Miller the smart choice for thousands of doctors, schools, and businesses. Get the microscope you need and the service you deserve by speaking with an Miller microscope expert. Give us a call at 215-925-2285 or visit us online at imillermicroscopes.com.